Today we're going to look at the Fifine microphone. It's a Fifine studio condenser, and inside the box we have a user's guide, basically tells you how to set it up correctly. How to use the software on your computer to get it set up correctly. There's a little card in here from the company asking you to follow their Facebook page and such. Basically letting you know that you can contact them and that there is a warranty and that you can get an upgraded warranty. The next thing inside the box is a spit guard. We have a little foam piece under that. And then inside we have the extra elastics to hold the mic. There's rubber rings in here. Another little instruction booklet. And inside the box, everything else. Alright, first and foremost, here's the microphone. Nice. So alright, this would be for the table to secure the microphone so it doesn't wobble or fall. To my left over here, the mini stand. In case you wanted to just mount it directly on the table and not use the arm. So it would go like this, and you would just screw it on that way. Let's see, I'm missing the piece right here. Let's put that over here. Alright, back here we have the mic cord and the foam for over the mic. So this will go into the bottom of the mic, like so. Let's see if I can get that to focus for you. There we go. Alright, so back here we have the cage for the mic. So the mic would go over the top of this. and the cord would come out the bottom here. And this would keep it from rattling or shaking those rubber bands. And then finally we have the arm that you would attach to the mic to stretch it out. Whoops. And this would connect here. So go in like this, and you would use the screw to tighten it. Now I haven't read the instructions or anything, but just from the book here you can see. Oh, so this little piece right here will connect to this. Okay. So I'm going to put all this stuff back into the box and then give it a little test drive, because I'd like you to hear what it sounds like compared to what I'm using now, which is only the microphone on my camera. I don't think that's where that was at. Alright, so I know this was like this. Oh, that was where the mic was. That was there. This is up here. I don't know. This is weird. How did I get this in there? Alright, I'm not going to worry about that because it's all coming out of there anyway. Put the phone back. Put the guard back. And I'm going to get this set up and we will take it for a test drive. So that was the Fifine unboxing. The Fifine Studio condenser mic. And it was a pretty reasonable price. I'll put how much it was at the bottom because I can't remember off the top of my head right now. But let's go check out the sound. Hi, this is LaKesha again from Virgo Vibe, and I am reviewing the Fifine microphone. I had a little technical difficulty trying to set this up. Not that you will, but I recorded myself using the mic right out of the box, and it was not as loud as I had hoped it would be. But after fiddling around with it and doing mass recordings, I figured out that I had not turned up the mic on the actual microphone. And so now I feel like the sound is a lot better and a lot crisper. And so I'm recording this now so that you can have a comparison of the unboxing part of the video, which I used only the microphone that is connected to my camera. And I wanted you to be able to compare that sound to the sound on the actual microphone. I'm very happy with the sound that I'm getting from this microphone. It's very crisp and clear. Right out of the box, the mic should work pretty good and quickly if you don't forget to turn up the actual microphone like I did. It should maybe take you 5 or 10 minutes to get started recording. I'm using Cyberlink right now, and that's what I use to edit my videos. And the sound is pretty good. I don't need to really do anything to it. Actually, this whole kit comes with a majority of things. It comes with a condenser microphone. It comes with a windscreen cap. It also comes with a desktop boom arm and the C clamp to clamp it onto your table or desk. It comes with the 2.5 USB cable that connects the microphone to your laptop computer. And it comes with a pop filter and a shock mount. For all of these things, I paid $75, and I think that this is a pretty good deal. It also has a 2-year warranty, and you can extend the warranty for an additional 2 years if you wanted to pay extra for that. And like I said, I did pay $75, around $75 for this whole kit, and I'm very happy with it. I was just trying to level up the sound from the microphone because actually I wanted to level up the sound from the camera that I have because it does not have a microphone jack, and so I wanted to be able to do voiceover with the audio, and I think that I have found something that is well under $100, which is what I was looking for. And so if you'd like to try out the Fifine mic, I hope that this video helped you determine whether you should or shouldn't. For me, I think that this will be a keeper and I will not be returning it. I'll be using it for my future YouTube videos. If you already own the Fifine mic or if you're interested in getting the Fifine mic, please leave a comment down below. Like this video if it helped you at all, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And thanks again for watching. This is LaKesha from Virgo Vibe, out.